Coming up in today's video. Hi house guests, welcome back this week for a new video. So today we're going to get into a whole house clean, and if it's your first time on the channel, welcome. On this channel I do a lot of cleaning videos. I express my love for my home decor, and I like to do some vlogs. I'm all about family and different sorts of things like that. So let's go ahead and get into the video, and I tend to pop in here and there, so I'll see you guys at a later part. So guys, I just couldn't find myself to clean the entire house and left the porch just looking the way it was looking. So I'm just taking the time right now and do a quick little blow over the porch and clean off my driveway, the best that I could. All right, back to the video.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your hair get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your hair get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried, yeah, to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
Now we're going to step into the guest bathroom. I'm going to do some cleaning in here. So this is an older bathroom. This house actually was built in the 1960s. So a lot of the character from the 60s is definitely in this bathroom. And it's not by my choice, but we are currently renting at this time. So you know what? I try to spruce it up as best as I can. And that's what it's all about. So if any of you guys out there who are renting like we currently are, just make the best of your space as much as possible. Back to the video.
A four-letter word. Trust yourself and you get hurt. Tell yourself it's so absurd. Four-letter words. Four-letter words. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it? Love hurts more when you're in it, yeah. Gravity at its limit, at its limit. Do you feel it? Like that I couldn't play. The memory card and got erased. Well, I'm not plugged in anyway, yeah, 'cause it's a maze every day. I hate it when you're like this. You never get excited. Get struck by lightning. Don't hide it, no. Don't hide it, no. Soulless man, do you feel it?
we're almost at the end of the video. I just really wanted to come on and show you guys my gratitude. I wanted to say I appreciate each and every last one of you who have taken the time out to, one, continuously come back week after week and watch these videos. You guys do not have to do that, and I just want to acknowledge it. So I thank you so much for that. I thank you guys for subscribing. I thank you for everyone who has shared my videos. I really appreciate you guys so much. I do see the comments. I write back in the comments, and I'm just extremely grateful. I really appreciate it. I'm really looking forward to growing my channel, and I just wanted to let you guys know that the only way that's possible is through you all. So again, I cannot say this enough. I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed, who has liked, who has commented. I appreciate it. Let's continue to grow together. Okay? All right. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, I will see you in the comments. Please make sure that you like this video, and I look forward to seeing you all next week. Bye.
Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover wounds, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. And you ain't gotta try too hard. Number one fan, yes, I applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword. Making me better, you hotter than pepper, You with a big stepper who chasing the cheddar, All of these women, they not on your level, You like a mix of business and pleasure, You a move body giving interviews, I'm just saying I'm amused, but you ain't even flexing. And you cool, tatted up, cover warm, different vibe, you know improved, but you ain't even flexing. 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 But you ain't even flexing.
Take me in your arms, do just what you want. You're the one I trust. I belong to you, and I'll always be around when I need some loving, baby. And I'll never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies. There's no one else, 'cause baby we got chemistry. You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me, written in the stars. You, me, forever, yeah. You, me. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Never drawn apart, 'cause I belong to you. Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby.